Hopeful no such incident will happen.
GMC State President Charles Pungro has demanded integrity and commitment from the new members of Parliament, MPs, whose names will be announced in the results on June 4th. He said it is the mandate of the people, and whoever comes to be the choice of the people, they should work honestly for the state with utmost integrity and commitment, because prior to the elections they make a lot of promises, but post-elections they are not honoured. The MLA of Nong Tamai Assembly constituency said the people's aspirations must be fulfilled by the elected representatives to the best of one's ability.
And everybody has done their bit, so hopefully it will be successful. Whoever comes out, the choice of the people, they should work honestly and for the state with the utmost integrity and commitment, because sometimes prior to elections we give them a lot of promises, and post-election somehow those promises are not kept, which is very sad. And when the people vote for you, they have some hopes and aspirations which must be fulfilled.
The residents of